called him this morning. And he got up there and left a voicemail message to give me a call. He was expecting him from the insurance company last week.
Oh, okay.
So I told him I'd give him a call. I heard from him.
All right. Ah, shit. Yeah, the other one fell off my damn truck. Hold that ladder for me. I don't really like this one either. Yeah, but it's gonna do what it do, shit. Here you go at the... Look, 2 layers. 2 layers. And that's an organic shingle underneath it. 2 layers. Look, you can see already. Now this is just, look, the rain is just falling off this thing, man. And technically, to do a proper repair, I had to tear down to the decking. But as you can see right here, the grain is just falling off this thing. Look at that. See, you can't properly put it back because this other shingle's underneath with the nails, and it won't properly go in there. So you can see it's off. It's off. It's off. This is not a proper repair, guys. Look. And right here. See that? Show that this roof is non-repairable, plus it's 2 layers, and if you don't remove the second layer, this shingle will not fit properly up underneath there because it's another set of shingles with nails that's stopping this to go all the way flush. So you're going to be off a 1/4 of an inch on every shingle that you replace. Not a proper repair.